Do your legs feel heavier than they used to? Maybe climbing stairs takes more effort. Or you grab the railing now when you never used to. It isn't always just aging. Often it means the muscles in your legs have become weaker over time. And when that happens, everyday things like getting up, walking, and staying steady can start to feel much harder. Today, I'll show you 3 simple exercises that help rebuild that strength one step at a time. Stay for number 1. It is the one exercise that rebuilds the deep leg strength most seniors over 60 are missing. Let's go. Everything is done near a chair. Move at your own pace and ease back if anything feels uncomfortable. Exercise number 3, heel raise. Stand behind your chair and hold the back lightly for balance. Slowly rise up onto your toes as high as you comfortably can. Hold 1 second. Lower back down slowly, 10 to 12 times. Your calf muscles connect directly below your knee. When they are weak, your whole lower leg feels unsteady, especially on uneven ground. This simple raise rebuilds that foundation from the ground up. Good. Now exercise 2 targets the front of your leg, the muscle that controls every step you take. And most people are training it the wrong way. Exercise number 2, seated knee extension. Sit tall in your chair with both feet flat on the floor. Slowly extend your right leg out straight, toes pointing up. Hold at the top for 2 seconds. Feel the squeeze in your thigh. Lower slowly, 10 reps, then switch sides. Your quadriceps, the muscles along the front of your thigh, are the primary movers for walking, standing, and climbing. The 2-second hold is what most people skip. That is exactly where the strengthening happens. If this one feels challenging, that's completely okay. Move only as far as feels comfortable, and remember, every small step you take today is helping build stronger legs for tomorrow. One more. Exercise number 1 is the one that brings everything together. This is the movement your legs need most, and once it gets strong, you will feel it in everything you do. Exercise number 1. Supported front foot elevated split squat. Stand beside your chair. Place your right foot on a low step or thick book in front of you. Hold the chair with one hand. Slowly bend both knees and lower down, back knee toward the floor. Push through your front heel and rise back up. 8 reps, then switch sides. This exercise works both legs at the same time but independently. That is what makes it so powerful. It finds the weaker side and forces it to catch up. It builds the exact leg strength you need for walking, climbing stairs, and staying steady, all at once. This is why it is number 1. Take a breath. You just finished all 3. Quick recap. Number 3, heel raise, calf and lower leg strength. Number 2, seated knee extension, quad strength the right way. Number 1, split squat, full leg strength both sides. 3 times a week. That is all it takes. A lot of women tell me they just assumed their legs would keep getting weaker, that this was normal now. It is not. Your legs can get stronger. You proved that today. If your knees have been bothering you along with the weakness, I have a video coming up next with 3 gentle knee strengthening exercises that one pairs perfectly with today. If today's routine helped you, please like and hit subscribe button. Every week I share a new gentle routine made for seniors over 60, simple, safe, and no equipment needed. One click and you will never miss one. Tell me in the comments, which exercise felt the hardest today? I read every single one. I am Grace. Thank you for being here. Take care of yourself and I will see you in the next one.